In this short video, we are going to introduce how to hide cells in a spreadsheet. Let's take a look at this example. So here we have the x, y, and z values. We also have a formula showing this value equals 1 times x plus 2 times y plus 3 times z. And now we just want to hide the z value from the view. And this is what we can do. So first, we just click on this cell and then right click, go to Format Cells. Under the Number tab, go to Custom. Under the tab, we just change this to the semicolon and then hit OK. And you can see this value here has disappeared. But it still works in the formula bar and the corresponding formula here. This doesn't change either. And to get this one back, we just click on this and then right click, go to Format Cells again. Under the tab, we just delete this and then hit OK. So now it's back. So it's pretty easy if we just want to hide some cells in a spreadsheet.